What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Another Marvel Rivals. Jeff the Shark. His name is Jeff. He came to land and stole our hearts. So let's draw this little shark dog thing. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. I'm going to start with his mouth, right? I'm going to start with, because his head is kind of tilted and it'll help us, right? So I'll just mark out up here. He's smiling with his teeth, just here. So his head's tilted this way, and his top lip even goes this way, and it's kind of bumpy, right? Okay. So his eyes just above, right? We'll get the eyes in it all before we add teeth and stuff. So kind of eye socket area, right? And kind of joins his snout, sort of going that way. And then his actual eye itself. So his eyes are black, and there's white highlights left, right? You could color black and add the white highlight after. It's up to you, but I'll just go for this with the black marker. Okay. So again, just for demonstration purposes, you could do this, boop, right? If you wanted. And it gives a nice effect as well. So it's up to you. What do you think, Jeff? So then, again, he's got a snout, so go here for the other eye. And then it curves again, cartoon-like. He's got these little eyelid lines kind of drawn in. And then highlight, color black. Do 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 boop 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 boop. Right, so his nostrils are kind of just here. And his little snout is, what would I do? So we go, just curve it. And it kind of just goes down that way. You just have a different pattern, like blue and then gray. But we get the rest of his mouth in. So he's smiling, mouth open. Super happy dude. Going down that way. And we got all those teeth. Does he have a gum line as well? Kinda. So we'll get the teeth in. And then we get layers of shark teeth, great white sort of teeth. Yeah, some in behind. And so we just do this first. And then teeth in behind here. Would you keep Jeff as a pet? You probably shouldn't have any other pets if you're keeping Jeff as a pet. For obvious reasons. And maybe lock your bedroom door as well. When you're asleep. He's got a gum line as well, so just a little sort of bumpy pink line of color just going along here. So his paw is covering his tongue, but we'll maybe, well, I'll do it the way the picture is. Tongue here. Up underneath his teeth a little bit. Down to there. Then the tongue. goes this way, and they do like little drips of slobber going that way, and then some teeth. The rest of that tongue. Now you can finish that, but he's got a paw coming up like in front of it, so you could just curve that around to there if you wanted and put the paw over, but you'd have to erase the line, so it's up to you. I'll just leave a gap because his paw is right there. So the paw, right, so we might as well do it while we're here. There, little bumpy star-like fingers. And then he's got like panda sort of pads on it, but we'll go that way. And then his forearm goes there. We'll do those little circular pads, right? So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a big one. And then, so they've got like, he's got like a separate color here, it looks like. Just on the bottoms of his feet. So it's like gray and around here, and this is like navy blue. And then, so his head, right? So it goes this way. He's got big old cheeks. He goes up around here. Kind of square on top. And curves around the cheek on this side. And we'll bring it around to the paw again. So he has like a pink collar and stuff on, but he does have this separation of colors on his cheek as well. So it's like this, like on his snout. So this is gray, and this will be, what would you say? Navy gray, bluey, sorta. Little textures and stuff on his skin. Okay, so that his collar, so with the Jeff written on it, his name is Jeff, goes like that. And it's got like these inside lines like so, and then Jeff. And this curves down this way. This is his collar. I think he's got some gold here, bars or something. So his other paw and the belly. So then his like elbow slash shoulder, like that. And then he's got a big old belly. Going that way. And then his paw comes down here. Again, the fingers are sort of connected to this blue-gray separation of color. And they're like starfish, sort of little spikes. Then we got the pads. And then he's got a leg. So his leg, say, here. And like he's got another separation of color there. The other side of his leg. Toes. Like that. He's reminding me of Squirtle from Pokemon. It's like an edge line on his collar as well. There's a little separation of color there as well. And then his other leg just hanging down this way. Gray section. Right, so we just need his tail, so it's kind of like swooping back this way, and he's got like little spikes on it. Right up to his eye. Back down. And then there's a separation of color going on, I think here as well. Unclear on the tail, but I think that's gray. Like that. And maybe some like air bubbles and stuff. Considering he is in the water. And there he is. His name is Jeff from Marvel Rivals. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.